Leave.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Take Jonathan on the ball. Okay.
That's out.
Come on.
Don't do it.
Or someone go and push the goalpost back. On both sides.
Yeah, man, we both are injured.
Even this side.
Come on, Rohit.
Pull the goalpost.
Yours. Come on, Adi. Okay, who's that? No, Nizam. Same. Sudev, turn fast. Jonathan, leave it to Jonathan. Yeah. Use it faster. Sudev, pressure. Good one. Jonathan, run.
Okay, this might
Get it, Sudev. We'll get it.
Okay.
Call for the ball.
Is
Come on, Jason Griff. No, not that high up. Sudev.
Guys, man,
Get
behind
it. Danish, yours.
Good.
Sudev, ask for the ball.
Sujal, support, Adi, support.
Adi, support. Give it to Adi.
Adi, ask for the ball.
Yours.
why is he clueless?
Why is he clueless?
Ryan, chill. Foul.
Not a foul, man. Wasim, dude, don't call fake ones, dude. See properly.
Don't leave him.
Now he sits on the back.
Nice. Good one.
Jana, take the ball. So they make run.
Offside. Keep it in.
There's no offside.
There's no offside, man. Dickhead.
Nice.
Turn around for Sudev, okay.
No.
Hey, pace.
Not pace.
They were lost.
That guy was fast who came in.
That's too obvious.
Oi, pass. Hey, that was a good pass.
Come on, Rohit, head down.
Sudev.
No, man. Sit, man. This Wasim cunt.
Hey, what commentary are giving here? Good one. Wait for the goal. What's your goal? I'm telling you, I'm getting that feeling. My feeling was wrong. Okay, my feeling was right. My feeling was wrong.
Okay.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Good one, Ryan. Again.
Last match.
Last match, no. That was him. What are you? Fine.
Get the ball.
Danish, yours. Good one, Sujal. Again.
Are go back?
Arnab, catch yours.
Good one.
Oh, no.
Adi, come back to your position.
Very small. Get it, Danish. Yes. Come on, Nizam. What is Nizam doing?
Deshan, carry. Okay.
Go, Danish, yours.
Carry it. Go.
Ryan, make the run on the other side.
Okay, it's fine.
Try.
Oh my god!
Danish, luck.
Right.
Good job.
Right.
That guy, that team is not that easy. Okay, like
Dude, Lakshay. अबे डिफेंस को बोल. पोजीशन में कोई नहीं है. Have you seen the positioning?
Adi, why who's?
Nizam, more compact. Danish front.
Adi, left.
Adi left.
What the hell? Is that why?
Center back and Sujal playing defensive.
Oh, okay. There's no LB then.
Guy behind.
Madon! Madon!
Oh, it's a goal.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
god, what a save.
Good save, Arnab. Oh no, back to position.
Jonathan, yours, go. Good one, Arnab.
Good one. Keep it up.
Very good.
Okay, no
It's
problem.
fine,
No
it's fine.
problem.
It's fine.
Good play.
What a save, man, by Arnab.
Got that on video?
Yeah.
On, Danish. Keep it in.
Okay, front. Nice ball.
Nice ball.
Okay, no problem.
Good play, guys. No problem.
What's up?
Adi, your positioning. Come on, man. Okay.
Come.
Give it in the box. Someone stay in the box.
Nizam and Sujal a bit forward. Come on. Ball in their play.
Never mind.
Back to your position. Ryan, back to your position.
Ganesh, play a little more defensive. Adi, look at the run.
Good one.
Hand. It's a hand.
With the body.
No, it's the hand.
The hand on the
No, that's toward on your body.
Arnav, make the ball with the post. Ganesh, ball bana Arnav ke saath. Dekh, post.
Hey, man, my hands hurting.
Good one, Jonah. Good one. Go, Ryan.
Ryan, carry it. Okay, guys. Okay.
Arnav should have came forward for that.
No, it's okay. He was trapped, man.
Come out and punch away. Aditya has that. He can't win a header there. Who scored?
I have no clue.
Ibro.
I don't know.
Ibro scored?
Ibro scored? Yeah. Record.
Jonah on the
Record. I have to fucking listen to me.
You have to listen to? How many phones you have, man?
That's not mine.
Then?
It's
Danish.
not Danish, man.
Dakshay. Good one, Sujal. Rohit. Record.
Nizam, stay. Nizam,
Hey, no,
stay.
don't stop. No.
Adi, look behind you. Okay, nice one, Jonathan.
Oh, let's go. Jonah, get it?
He still got that tape.
Ooh, that was good tackle.
Good one, Jonathan. Good one.
Good try.
Good, Jeff Coach. Look back. Just stand up and look back with Jeff Coach, man.
Jonah,
Finish.
let it out.
Adil? Good, you all scored. ISB. What is the team?
It's okay. Good.
Good one.
Good one.
Jonah's wide.
Good ball. Okay, same. Okay.
Oh, good pass.
Good one.
Good
Come
play.
on.
Good try, guys. Good try, guys. Good try. That was good. That was nice. That was really good.
Come on, keep it same. Sujal!
should buy them. Bro. See, it's-
Are you kidding? Drumel is playing.
Adi, put pressure.
I don't want to spend 15, 20.
Okay.
Nice one. Good one, guys.
Offside, Bahrain is there and
Adi, look at this side. Don't stay on the goal line, man. There's a goalkeeper for that.
offside but yes.
Oh, what a pass. Out.
You didn't get a license yet?
No, because I just renewed my license now. Not license, my license.
Sujal, open up.
Hey,
Wait, are you on like
Nice.
expired?
it was expired and then I just got work. Like I just got my family. So it's 2026.
That means you can apply for a license, right? You can apply for
I can. I'll be applying. My parents are gonna go India now. Once they come, if I'm here.
You don't even need your car. The instructor is
Nice.
Okay, carry,
Good one, good one.
Carry with the ball.
Carry it.
Okay.
Good job. Oh, what-
Nice one.
good pass.
Sudev, face the ball.
Good job. Keep playing like this.
You got a teammate नहीं होता, you came alone. Seriously, and cash on delivery?
Sujal, cool.
Damn.
Cool. Don't use your hands.
Calm.
What the only the t-shirt or like?
Honestly, this t-shirt or
You're not even wearing white, man. Why are you not wearing white?
I told you I have only one t-shirt and that too you guys wear players one jersey.
Dude, the thing is, because everyone's wearing that color.
When you order, what you didn't buy?
Yeah, they're going to be like sophisticated to your wearing.
Yeah, I tried not tried.
Sahu, you're not recording? Okay, sure. Sahu, time?
7-6.
Hand.
What is Aditya doing? Who is this one? Right back? Who did play left back? Left back against MJ.
There yours, come on. Run Sujal.
Nice one. Keep going on.
Block him, don't let him take shot.
Good one.
Good one, guys. Good one.
Who's taking my honor? My honor.
Danish. Oh. Shit. Penalty.
Penalty. Handball. Well, let's see if we can save it.
Thank you, Akshay.
What was that, man?
I was expecting the save, Akshay.
Bro, what was that?
Jana. Spread.
Jonah, run.
Why is Sudev playing centre forward, man?
Guys, put pressure.
He's more of a playmaking.
Go on the ball. Go get the ball.
Come on, Jonah.
Jonah, put pressure.
Jonah, yours, come on.
Yeah, you're supposed to play a midfielder role. Sudev, drop back, man.
Just have one chance this whole game.
Wasim, your turn.
What's up you're doing here?
Hey, Sahu, what's the time?
7-9.
So 1.5 hours more.
Yeah. No.
8:30 only.
15 they'll finish.
Keep it in. Nice.
Good one. Hey, Jonah. Good one, Jonah.
Nice.
Oy! Good try.
Man did a somersault.
Manish, you good?
That was a bit too rough, man. I don't know. He got the ball though. Yeah, Adi, go in the box now. You can head it. Oh, let's go!
Good one, good
Good
one.
one, good one. Good. Good one, Danish. Keep it up.
Only 15 minutes we are recording for.
Huh?
Felt like an hour. We are recording only for 15 minutes.
Even you record.
I'll guess your password. Give me 2 tries.
Don't.
Just guess.
Now guess.
406.
Very great try.
Danish, Sudev को midfield में डाल.
Who? Hey, zoom in flow. Damn.
Oh no. Let's go.
Let's try.
Good one, Arnav.
Good one, Arnav. Good job.
Come in midfield. Jonathan, play forward.
Jonah, go forward.
Come in midfield.
Today playmate now.
Jonah, play center forward.
How these kids do?
Abbe, Adarsh and all came inside, okay? Zishan said, like, which team you want to play with? I'll go talk to them. Loda KFH.
I guess team cheerleader.
Shut up. KFH, it seems. You'll get Adarsh or KFH.
I'm cheerleader, man.
Good ball, Jonathan. Good ball.
What a ball.
Back to Jonah.
Are yaar.
Come on, Sudev. Heads up. Sudev, stay with him. Stick with him. Sudev, chill.
Hey.
Jonah, yours.
Drummond looks like a handsome Abdur Rahim, no? Pogba.
Abhi, Danish, wide.
Manchester United. Manu jersey, see. Abbe,
Nice.
your teammate over there. No.
Good one, Dan.
Second half, look at the red shoes. Yeah.
Right?
He looks like a
Let's
handsome.
go.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Come on.
You went to Finch.
Keep it up.
The worst class.
Good one, Deshankar.
The headband. There's an answer with the headband, right?
Yeah.
The Nemesis shoes, right? The red ones. The guy's just a penalty.
Akshay.
Yeah, they'll just, even if they're outside the box, right, they won't take the shot. They
don't
like
have
do
these
some
names.
skill.
They troll. I've seen that. They troll.
BF like that and they
Who knows what if they're actually trolling? Or the school team.
It's more like ISB school team than
Yeah, it's ISB school team, man. Jesus.
Adi only and school. Okay.
Jeez. Adi dude so confident he's saying it's only ले करना अब मेरा पैर टूटा
Danish, Adil.
Behind you, Adi.
To Sarvesh.
Behind you. Behind us.
Good one, Danish.
Good one.
Why अबे लक्ष्य आदि को थोड़ा चिल्ला वो बहुत ड्रीम्ड आउट है
Adi sleeping, man.
Adi, look that side.
आदि keep talking yeah bro
No.
from our class in Bahrain
Okay, guys.
except
Okay.
Kirti Dash and a group I don't think anyone else is here yeah Kirti has been here since long back yeah family meet what can I do a bitch no she's dating
Come on.
I'm recording in this
Yes, I'm rich.
man what a disgrace I told you NMS sucks
You are playing like this. I mean, you're supposed to go all the way to there.
There's a lot of drama now.
हो गया
Like from like
You're playing with 3 defenders.
Bijay huh
Oh, good try.
why did you join Finch? And you could have had fun in school. Like if you like took humanities.
dude I wanted to take commerce because I'm a management student man
You're playing
Come on, Jonah. Let's go.
nice
Be halal.
fuck off.
Just try it for like a week, you know. Because I won't drink these, this cheap stuff. These assholes.
Guys, pressure door.
Old monk and all.
Good one, Sudhir.
Come on.
Yeah, boy, yeah, boy.
Keep it in, keep it in. Man on, man on. Nice one, nice one. Foul, 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 foul.
Fall, fall, fall.
Jonathan made really well. Jonathan is really good form today.
Jonathan is hyped up for this game.
Man.
Adi, go in the box, you can head. Where is Adi?
I'll take dribbling lessons from him.
Sudhir, come in the middle for rebound.
Danish Danish मजेदार वाला. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It's okay, it's okay.
Hey, there was this dude, right? Lincoln House. Someone from your class.
Lincoln.
Lincoln House.
Lincoln is yellow, no?
Yeah, yellow.
Utkarsh.
Ganesh, first you pressure.
I was in Gandhi, you were in.
This guy, like, he flirts with the girls,
Nice one.
but they don't do anything back. They just, cringe. They don't pay attention to him.
Middle is open, okay.
Who? I don't remember.
Nice one.
Good one.
Good pass.
Jonah, man on.
No, that's a bit hard.
Don't let him cross.
Hold on.
Passing ball.
Good one, Sudev.
Okay, now we take.
Chill, chill. Jonah, Jaishankar.
What a pass.
Arey, it was too fast. It was too fast.
Come on,
Stop, stop.
Come on, Jonah.
Go, go.
Jonah, get up.
Get some motion.
What, you're tired in that time. Okay, Anup, pressure. Behind you, Anup. Okay, Anup, go, go, go. Anup, go. Anup, keep it up.
No, chill, chill,
Go
chill.
get water bottles. Yeah, get 20 bottles. Then Lakshay will get. And then look at the run behind you. And then next time push Danish for forward, okay? Should I ask him? Just go to
Anup
the
is
ground,
wide.
Just see from the fridge, take 20
Danish,
bottles,
Anup.
come.
Get it, Sujal, pressure.
Shreyas, man. Pass it to Shreyas.
Good one, Alan.
Good one, Alan. Okay.
Hey,
Alan!
Ah, come on.
Alan, go. Alan, go. Don't let him cross.
Oh, God.
Good one.
Good one, Danish.
Again, Anup, go.
What is Alan?
Good one, Alan!
Go, Anup.
Oh, what is he?
Alan, what happened? Okay.
Wait. Chill.
Abe, it's not about confusing. Why the both of you were getting lost? Dude, this is intense.
Alan!
Don't get lost.
Alan, heads up.
Dude, don't get lost, man. If we can play normal in KFH, why can't be normal over here?
No, the reason one is telling mark one person, one will go and do one before.
Wait, what were you covering?
See, I was covering service, but I know that they won't pass him.
Okay, chill. Adi,
So no one has given.
chill. We play. Don't confuse me.
That was the
What's the
worst.
score? 4-2, right?
I don't know, that was the worst
I
logic
guess
though.
4-2. Lakshya score is 4-2, right?
Who's 4? Who's 2? We are 4.
We are 4 there too.
Nice.
4-2. Come on.
Nice. It's actually good.
We're playing well. Second half we need to heads up because after
Second half, why do I feel second half they're going to play their own? First half was.
first half they get used to this team now. They
Yeah.
have a very good team.
Warm up.
Arnav.
But you're playing center back only.
Jaishankar, play fast there. Don't delay it there. Anup, ask.
Hey, Lakshay, you're keeping Adi CB.
Anup, go.
On that side. That side, left side.
Okay.
Anup, go.
Adi. Where's Adi?
Good one, Anup. Very good. Where is Adi gone?
Where's Adi gone? What is he doing there? Come here.
Arey yaar.
Hey, simple football. Same team. Hey. Okay, it's fine. It's our ball. Chill.
center back. Every ball that comes in, you are the first one to do pressure. Okay? And put hard pressure. If you get fast, you go.
Play to Alan.
Try whatever you can.
No.
Manan.
Good one.
Nice.
Do them very physical. Be physical.
Anup, get it. Anup, you get it. You have the pace. Good one, Sudev,
And
again.
you're not staying in that ground. Okay?
Come on, Sudev.
Do that same pressure. And I want you to give 100%.
Come on.
Chill. Alan, good one, Alan.
Nice.
Okay. Manon. Come on, Alan. Anup, go. Yours, Nizam. What is turning back?
Never mind.
Alan,
Not
very
bad.
good.
Not bad.
Go out.
Nizam, go out. Adi.
Hey, who said I'll go?
Wait, substitution.
Good job, Nizam.
Who said I'll go?
Who said I'll go? Said I'll go.
Adarsh told no I'll go.
Others, you can
One
get
slap.
married, don't worry.
One slap.
Good one, Adi. Good one.
Alan, make the run, no? Give him. Okay.
Good one, Danish.
Oh, nice. Arre. Koi na. Beautiful.
Come on. Good one, Alan.
Arre, sexy.
That was nice.
Adi, yours. Come on. Good one, Adi. Very good. Very good, Adi.
Come on. He's getting hyped. अबे इतना भी मत करो.
Wait. After this ball.
Someone go pressure there.
Okay.
See Ryan with the blue.
Go. Danesh.
Sudev, yours. Sudev, go.
Danesh, किसके लिए?
Anup, yours. Just go. Manon. Get it behind you. Anup, pressure.
Sudev, put pressure.
Don't let him shoot. Good one, Sudev.
Good pressure.
Danesh, Danesh.
Anup, mark your man. Don't leave.
You know it.
Behind you. Sudev, get it. Adi.
Hand, come on. Penalty, man. Take it, man.
Who was it?
Oh, Adi. I mean, it wasn't his fault. It bounced
Just go
off.
2-4, no?
Arnab, come on.
He'll score this.
It's okay.
3-4.
3-4, guys. Come on, we still have a 1 goal lead.
That's all I think. It's fine.
Hey, man, it's not.
It's okay. It's not his dude. It's his debut match also.
It's fine.
Alan, come in. Defensive midfielder. Come. Midfield.
अबे लक्ष्य खाली क्यों करवा रहा है? वहाँ कोई नहीं है.
4 defenders in a 9v9.
So,
We are close to
dude,
Mourinho.
still. Yeah, but why are you making that empty?
Aditya playing centre back is going to be a big liability for us.
I know. Then change it to someone else. Abey, Lakshay, listen. Lakshay. Let Sujal be behind and Adi be front, man. Abey, man, there's no chemistry, dude.
I know there's no chemistry. Come on, Adi. You can get it.
Wait, time.
Yeah, I'll check.
7:20.
7:24.
7:24.
They were half time, no? When did it start?
7.
6:40.
7. Nearly 7.
Anup, go. Anup, you can get it. Go.
6:50 it started.
7:35.
Anup, faster. Come on. Adi. Good one, Adi. Get it, Sudev. Yours. Anup, run.
Arey, nice.
Good job.
Good one, Anup.
Corner.
Good one, Anup.
Corner.
So, Adi, go in the box. You can head.
Okay, yeah, don't.
There's no one in the box, man. If Sujal
Okay,
can take him
da.
off for some time now. At least Sujal in the box.
Sujal, call him.
Go. Alan, chill.
Fall
Alan,
back,
come,
guys.
come,
Fall
go.
back.
Sudev, yours. Come on, Sudev. You can do this. Adi, yours. Go.
Adi, recover!
Adi, come back faster. Again.
Adi, put pressure.
Put pressure, Adi.
Good one.
Anup, take the run.
Oh, perfect!
Go, Anup. Oh. Are you fine?
You're fine, Anup.
Is he fine?
It is me.
Okay. it's-
Dude, the defense.
Stop him.
The defense is messed up.
Hey, how much time is? What's the time?
7:26.
Hey, take my phone. Take my phone. And take the time will be there. Let's see.
Anup, go. Alan. Adi. No.
The defense.
Dude,
Stop it,
the
you go lead.
defense. Lakshay. Defense is messed up. Defense karo ye kar.
Go in.
Anup come.
Anup just went in, man. Hey, tell the defense to shuffle.
Dude, the defense is so
Lakshay,
bad.
Lakshay.
Yeah.
Lakshay. Hey, Lakshay. Tell the defense to shuffle.
Wait, man, wait. Abbe, hey, Lakshay. Dude, what is the defense?
Wait.
Hey, you were doing well.
Come on, Sudhir.
That pass was good to Anup.
Yeah, bro.
And it's fine, but those defenders came on time, no?
Is fine. The defense is messed up.
Anyways, you guys are actually playing well. Not gonna lie.
You guys can good at
Jonah, say hi, man.
It's not our Akshay you know why we still score? Because we know how
Adi,
they
don't
play.
go
We play
inside.
with them we play them 4 days a week or 3 days a week.
Come on, Nizam, slow. Ryan, go
Adi goes and he stops because
Jonathan,
he stops
run.
coming back.
Run a bit fast.
Leo Adi goes front and then he's over here, but he gets his dreams. Irashan, he just doesn't come. Look, that is so empty.
Yeah, that's the thing.
We were all seeing that.
How did he that?
Abhi, cover him.
Nice one.
Go left, shot.
Out?
It's out. It's in or out?
Goal or no goal. It's out.
Out.
That looked like a goal, man. That looked like a goal.
He's not playing.
4 all.
Let Joel go in for at least defense, man. You can do defense.
You know what we need? The midfield should just put ridiculous pressure.
No problem,
We can
no
get the
problem,
ball.
Jordan. Yeah, I don't know. You can't coordinate.
Just use your physicality like anything. Just put pressure in midfield. You'll get the ball.
It's hard.
So their main thing is just midfield. They're amazing in midfield.
How much goals has it become?
4 all.
4-4.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that much they scored?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh. I can play, but I don't have my shoes.
Yeah, because he has no trust in people.
Oh.
Next half, we'll play more attacking.
Your touches are going so far, man. Take small touches. Because there is a really good chance. I think we can pass it.
Why did Mahesh go there?
Alan on the line.
Hey man. There is no one in the front to support also. Sujal is still doing this. Sujal is doing most of the work.
Yeah, Sujal is doing well.
Person of the work. Who?
Oh, what a save.
He scored.
What a save. No, he's doing well.
Defensively,
You can train after 10 minutes.
Oh, give me one. Thanks, bro.
Fuck, what is this?
you like this flavor?
Yeah. With spicy, you can take the ball, bro.
I like the blue one better.
It was 4-all, I believe.
Yeah, Arnav is doing really good.
Arnav, man, I swear.
We play here and there is no.
Oh my god.
With that one run only, I became so tired. That?
With that one run, no, I sprinted. From that only I became something.
Yeah.
Your pass only, no?
Yeah, my turn.
It was good pass.
Hey, no, the defense. Have you seen them? They
Yeah, I was
using their
running.
slide tackles very well.
That's only question, man. Like, really
Yeah.
not good. You saw first goal down it? You saw that one?
Yeah.
So bad.
No, they said you can kick in any corner to save it.
Come on.
Who said that?
This guy, Anup. Dude, Jonathan hasn't played with us for a while. He's playing well.
lost. Keep
He's doing very well.
Keep supporting. Jonathan is playing really well.
Yeah, he's coming back after a long time.
His touches are really good.
Man, he didn't even touch a ball, man. He's coming back now only and touching a ball.
Yeah, that's what even I
He's
can't.
really good.
Man, I can't understand Alan, man. He's very
Yeah, Alan, he's in which position?
Yeah.
Man, I told him the 60 shirts. Can't understand. I can't recognize.
Oh, good one.
Alan is in which position right now?
Right back.
CB. RB, then why is he going so far?
We have 3 centre backs, no?
Wow, what a tackle.
Sujal, you don't come Fred. Sujal, you don't come Fred. Alan is there. Good one.
Wow, come on.
Sujal, get Alan, get it. Sujal. When Alan's there, don't come Fred. You stay there. Alan's position.
You both don't run in the same position.
Alan, come back.
Alan, go back. Alan, go back.
Sujal, you go back.
Alan Drumal.
Alan, you stay with Rubel. Alan,
stay on Pogba.
What a save.
Nice one, Adi.
Adi's heading is really good.
Good one.
Adi's tall, no?
His heading
So
and
small Adi is
positioning is
doing
really
well, man.
good. His heading position.
He's actually doing well. Small Adi.
Yeah.
Hey, Lakshay. Where is the time?
Time.
Last out.
2 minutes.
1 more minute.
Match won't get over now.
How do you know 1 minute left?
7:35 is half time. We started at 6:50.
If Jonathan was there, he could have pushed that.
Oh, he's gonna take a long one.
See, he can use both legs, you know.
Okay.
He's really good with both the legs. And his stamina. Ooh. Half time.
Man, don't you think
Yeah. Kushal, no.
Jonathan behind you.
What?
He's in a relationship with
Good one, Alan. Go up, Alan.
Okay, perfect.
What?
Ryan, look for.
What are you saying? He's an NMS? What the fuck?
This didn't come from me, okay?
From? How would you come to... Oh, okay, I understood.
Ball back. No defense. Oh my god, there were only like 2 defenders.
More higher. You need to stay here at least. Don't stay there. They're dreaming, man. My man are dreaming more than that kid from Tara Zamin.
No one's communicating.
Good one, Sujat. I don't know on chill. Alan, don't wait for the interception. Sudev. Jonathan, look for Jonathan. Jonathan, go in.
Someone give him support.
Oh, nice try.
Good one, Sudev. It's fine.
Put pressure. Nice. It's okay.
That guy's a truck, man.
Guys, try if you want.
Whoa!
Oh, nice
Good
try,
good
nice try, nice try.
Robin, amazing. Robin.
So the first goal Danish scored. If that goal is that good, then always take half. Who said it? His form is so smooth.
What is Nizam doing?
Good, good.
He's turning his head backwards.
Good try, good try, good try.
Come on, Sujan.
Good one. Nizam. Sujan, look. Okay.
Get it, Alan. Okay, good one.
Alan.
Alan, man, what are you doing?
Why he turned back?
Good, good one, Jonah.
Come on. You take Pogba, someone.
Okay, nice one, Danish.
Try and get it. Get it.
Okay. Jonah, ask. Sudev, go. Okay. Sudev, you have to ask for the ball.
Don't just run. Ask. Sub him out for Jaishankar.
Nice.
Jaishankar is a bit tired.
Alan, yours.
Sub it on for Alan.
Nice.
Sub him out for Alan.
Jaishankar.
No, Jaishankar is playing.
No, Adam is different. Okay. You just collect all the plastic bottles in this.
How much? No. Go forward. Just try to pass Okay.
Okay, Lakshya.
Danish le.
Sub him out for Alan and tell him to play back forward.
Oh, Joel.
Yeah. Let Danish play this side then.
That's the only one who's taking shots.
Answer to Jonah.
Alan, cool yourself, Alan.
Alan, calm your nerves.
Alan, you want to sub? Sub with this guy.
Oh, good throw, good throw.
You want to play defender, Joel?
No. Let him play defensive mid. But for myself, don't tell.
That's the problem.
Alan, yours, don't go back.
Nice, Tera.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh.
Good one, Sujan. Good ball.
What a pass. What a pass.
Jaishankar, yours, come on.
It's okay.
Drop to the ground. Oh, what a
What
save,
a
my guy.
save. What a save, dude.
No, Arnav is in Dutch today.
Nizam, in that place, clear. Because there's nobody in defense. Okay.
Danish, yours still. Jonah, run.
Pass it, Jonah. Oh, what a pass.
Try and get it.
Ryan, get it.
Okay.
Okay, it's
It
okay.
was fast.
Good one,
It was
good one.
fast. It was fast. Yeah. It was very far away.
Yeah, it was hard.
And if it was Jonah, I guess it was Jonah. If they're covering this side more, so we should attack from there only.
Why are you so like depressed?
What did you eat before coming? Idli sambar. Jonah, go. You ate something heavy? Just a bad day. Let's go!
Good one or no?
Okay, leave it Nizam.
Nizam, look and pass.
Nizam,
Someone
not
said-
dribbling. Okay. Good one.
Yeah, I know. If you make a mistake, like sometimes too much.
Joel, you're going for Sudev. No. This last out.
But it's fine. Hey, bro.
Nice
Get
one.
it?
It's okay.
Sudev.
Sudev, come. Faster, Sudev. Guys, come on, 4-5. One more goal, come on.
Hey, water is there?
There's water there.
Arnav has been really good. You can't blame him.
Take a direct shot now. You're playing shit in center forward, man. You're playing even worse than Adarsh.
You know why we are playing 4 defenders? Because
Can you play right now?
Wait. You know why we are playing 4 defenders? Because Danish. I told him play 3 defenders. He's saying no.
Who's playing this side? Who's playing this side?
Nizam, keep the pressure. In second half.
Good one.
Keep it in.
Good
Come
one,
on, you can keep it, Jonah.
It's
Oh
okay.
jeez, that was really good fun. That was really good pace.
Very good.
Where's the ball? Okay.
Nice one. Good pressure. Nice. Good one. It's okay. Good one.
Mark your man. Joel, make the run. Ask for the ball.
Ask for the ball, Joel.
Arey, dribbling.
Get it. Ryan, you good?
Foul.
Okay, someone needs to go there. Can you get up?
Ryan.
Wait.
No, that's a hard knock, man. Come on, Joel, you'll get it.
Joel, pressure! Joel, don't stop running!
Just kick in front, just kick.
You guys go!
Hey, Nizam, run, man.
Oh God, so good.
Blocking there.
Okay, nice.
Joel! Come inside.
Come on, Jonah.
Oh,
They're covering before taking the corner and then leaving after the ball comes in.
All return strategy is damn hard. What is you say? This year or this year? Give an extra like that, like a spare stud.
Ask Sujal.
bro, I think Ryan needs to stop.
You
He's a bit tired.
Tell me, I can tell.
I think F bar is
Yeah, I thought it was
yeah, 43.
43.
Oh,
My God.
Ryan,
Ryan.
you got a sub?
sub.
Okay.
Joel.
Hey, let that Aditya go, man.
Adi go. Nizam.
Hey, remove Nizam.
He's injured.
Huh?
Injured?
Yeah, Nizam.
It's nice.
Nizam's injured?
No. He was looking for defenders. He knew he was the only one. He saw
Joel,
smiling.
move into open space and ask for the ball.
Ask for the ball, okay?
And he's covered between 3 guys.
Look at Jonah.
Why they are together?
Setting.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It would have gone for a goal. It would have gone for.
Aditya, less mistakes. Fine, Adit, fine. No, he's trying to kick the ball.
It would have gone for a goal.
Dude, that power, man.
That power, I thought no one shot it. I thought it passed.
Put pressure. Go on.
Man trying to pressure Akshay.
Put pressure, Joel.
What is Aditya doing, man?
Put pressure. Keep putting. Nice.
Joel, run.
Aditya, Mahesh.
Control it, man. Oh my God.
Reach there. Reach the top one.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Hey, so they have 2 moments rest. Hey, replace Ryan and go. Ryan's very tired.
Yeah, that's
Ryan is actually dead. Replace Ryan.
Replace every game, man. So people get tired. Ryan, you got sent to the gulag.
Wait, let the game get over, man.
Good one, Adi.
Oh, that's a
Ryan,
miss.
It's out, it's out.
No, it's a goal.
Ryan. No, it's out, it's out.
It's a goal.
Is it a goal?
Okay.
It's out.
Okay, never mind.
Good one, Adi.
Dude, they trolled.
It's still there in the field.
Well played, Joel.
Joel, it's fine, it's fine.
Well played, well played.
Joel, come on, come on.
Go. Good try.
Joel, you need to run.
Good try.
With whom?
I can play Jashankar's position. Yeah, right there. Get up.
Shoot!
Oh.
Come.
Well played, Joel.
Ganesh, center back. Jashankar,
Oh, nice.
play defensive
Joel needs some
midfielder.
rest. He's playing the
Sudhir,
ball.
play up.
Danish, CB.
Ganesh, center back. Sudhir is out.
No. Adi, CB. Danish, RB.
Sit down.
Come on. Go, Adi.
Nice.
Come on, Adi.
Nice one.
Kill him.
Keep same pressure.
नीचे जूता नीचे
किसे?
Oh shit. Oh, nice one. Good one.
No.
He's injured.
What happened to him?
I don't think he probably got an offer from
Hey, what's the time?
Nice.
Go, Sudhir.
Oh man.
Guys, communicate! Don't talk!
No, it's good. It's actually good.
I know.
Take a shot.
Guys, take some shots.
The centre back is playing forward now. Danish, man out, come on. Chill. Ada, you can get it. Come on. Ali, yours. Kill him.
Nice.
Good one.
Come on.
Nice one.
Jonah, on the line.
Gonna ask for the ball.
Yeah. Heads up.
Arey.
Nice one.
He would have shorted. Yeah, he would have shorted. He would have gone for a goal. Would have actually gone for a goal.
Get down a goal now. Why is he inside the goalpost? Tell him to cover someone, no. Hey, Aditya to cover someone.
क्या कर रहा है?
Hey, pressure him. I'll play. Let's see if we can open it.
No.
Adi!
I'll ziplock your hand with your leg. No, we'll try.
No, it's fine. Try to Alan. Try to Alan.
I'll ziplock your hand with your leg. Let's see if we can open it up.
I'll keep you, I swear.
Okay, I'll try it with you. Come.
I can.
Okay, come.
No, I can already.
No,
I
I'll
don't
give
want
it.
to waste it.
I'll give it, sir. I don't want to. I want to see.
That let me go again.
Why?
Okay. Aditya, hey, out.
Faster, Mahesh.
Well played. Time is 8 o'clock.
Oi.
Bad condition.
You're playing back.
You are right back. Okay, guys, right back.
Oh shit.
Put your leg, come on. Good one, Danish.
Good one.
Good, put your leg. Put your leg, yeah. Good one, Danish.
Go, 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 go! Use it!
Ah.
Okay. Nice try,
Good try, good try. That was good defending. It's okay, it's okay. Oh shit.
Good one, Arnav.
Good one, Arnav.
This guy keeps too much attitude, Sujal, calm down. Just kidding.
Someone take a pose!
Shit, man, this goal.
That was one of the freakiest goals I ever saw. Arnav, you okay? Arnav, hey, give him some water, man.
Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, it's 7-4. Yeah, they just scored. Nice.
Joseph!
Ah, shit. Get the ball, nice.
I get it. Ryan, face the ball.
Oh shit. Oh, no. They scored. 8-4. 8-4. Score is 8-4. Arnav.
Pass on piece, no? Pass on piece.
Yeah.
Oh, what, the whole thing?
Even Joel.
Hey, record.
This is being bad.
Record. Akshay, record. It's still recording. Abey, for 5 minutes. Oh.
But how the hell did we fluff up a 3-goal lead, man?
It's okay, though.
His butt, man.
Abey, hey, record for 5 minutes, man. Once I finish, I'll give you.
Oh.
Hold! It's still recording.
Why is Wasim not recording?
Hey, what's up? Party please.
Are they record?
Yeah. Okay. I don't know how to do it. Nice. Oh God. Water. Okay.
Yeah, but still, I think it might still be okay for the defense.
You guys okay?
Hey.
I never thought this would be so difficult.
Don't play, dude. I'm telling you, don't play.
Who's Lakshmi? I thought you were.
Every week we do have matches with this match. This week with someone we do have. Not this location.
What? Where's the hand vibrating from? Very good. Oh, what?
Don't, Lakshya, don't.
More fat on that.
Don't. You're captain, you can't be your
I can stop now?
Can I also go?
Anup, come out for that. Joel, play more confident. Why are you not playing hard?
Anup, are you good at recording? Hey, Abdul. Friend, okay. Jonathan, you good at recording? Yeah, oh, you were doing that photography shit. Right? You caught. I hate
Dude,
you.
you fucked up your leg and then again you won't be able to play. This match is only more important. 1.5 months break you won, then fine, then play. You'll even miss Nemesis. If something happens.
Lakshya, don't play.
Oh, God.
I also want to play, but I don't want to risk it, that's why. Dude, we would have 3 debates to take why to take Vasim. Okay. That would have been the problem. Dave!
Oh, God. Okay, I'm not. Nice. Oi.
Run, Mick! Oh. You know why I'm playing? I know how they play. Dude, it's not about how you play, you're fucking injured. Not how I play. You're injured, man. I'll play. Let Vasim play then if you really want someone to play. Vasim is Dubai national team player, man.
Hey, Lakshya, can I go strike?
What? Are you sure, bro? Then if you sub out Sujal, then I'll be centre back. Is that what you want?
I'm telling you, I want to score goals. I can, if I get the ball.
Your hand.
Oh,
I'm not
sorry.
recording your
I'm
hand.
sorry.
If Bijo was here, man, we would not be losing.
No, man.
No, Bijo is very good.
Man. Man, you're injured. You want to make you run like
The penalty would have never happened if Bijo was here.
leave it for next match.
You're playing? What's wrong with you?
Okay, I'll take one more permission. I'll ask him. Hey, Dad say no. Dad say no. Should I?
Don't play. Don't play one match just for the sake of missing 2-3.
Let Vasim go play. Can you play?
He's injured already, bro. Don't take risk.
This is hard, man.
I made this fucked up.
You know, this is being recorded.
I want to play, man. 5 minutes, even 5 seconds, if something happens, you'll make it. I fought with him once and I was like, man, that guy made some Instagram account. What shit he's posting, man? Helicopter Jacob, sir, he put helicopter showroom in SRM. Look for Ryan. Danish, Ryan.
What? One shoe, one foot. Where's his other shoe?
If I see him outside, no, he'll get beaten up in the road. No. We can't risk our defense is screwed up. Why is this phone heating up so bad?
Just look at. No one is there in the first. Here.
Anybody else wants to record, please?
Help me.
Wasim.
Hey, you went for photography shit, no?
I
Go.
know I'm ready to play him, but the thing is, he's screwed up leg, man. And his injury is even worse than mine.
Jonathan, get up, man.
Yeah.
Help.
Look for Joy.
I am planning to go for Nizam.
Pro gamer move, stick it in his hands.
There, man. He's not doing
You want to record, bro?
Left, bro.
Come on, Joy. Come on. That's the life.
ओ भाई क्या हुआ तेरे लात को क्या हुआ दानिश लेग
Hey, please help me, Lakshay.
Come on, Joy.
Help me. Hold, please.
He's playing back.
No.
It's not my phone.
I'll tell, wait. Adi start. Come here.
Shit.
This?
Very good.
Nice.
सुजल fast passing
Look at what this guy is doing. My head is not a phone stand.
Radiation, man.
Man, you Karen only.
Ah, it's actually true.
I know. Not much though.
Hey, what are you doing?
Taking videography.
दानिश
I'll zoom.
There's no one there. Look at that. No one there. All are coming here.
Nice one, Arnav.
बोल जल्दी बोल
Pass it, Joy. Nice one.
good try
How much more time is there left?
come on help me out
Wait, chill, man, Lakshay. Lakshay, don't be a dick.
जॉल का ए दानिश बोलना सुन रहा हूं
तो हाँ बोला है लक्ष्य को खेलने.
हां
Lakshay, come on.
Abhi.
I really hope.
Abhi.
Wait, I'm tired.
Ah, okay, sorry.
where's
Anup.
wanna risk it it's okay
Don't, man. Don't risk it.
It's just one match, bro. If there's one match, something happens. 2-3 matches you'll miss.
Adi, record again.
Bye.
I can hear you. What?
You know, I have an idea. Make it stand up against a
Yeah, sitting down only now.
You're playing?
They didn't put me in the list.
Take the phone and play.
Hey, don't. Dude, don't. Hey, Anup, sit down. I have to record.
Videography. Cameraman.
Yeah, hardly 15 minutes left.
Nice.
Who is in barefoot?
Joel, last
Go!
one.
Shoot!
Joel, fall for him.
Remove his shoe, man.
Yeah, I'll go play, man. It's fun to play.
Joel!
You just passed it.
Lakshay, I'm going.
Hey, Lakshay, take Wasim in. Lakshay, man, don't. I'm telling you.
Lakshay, you just got injured.
Lakshay, man, dude.
Hey, wait. We'll tell them.
You're insulting Carl. You're insulting Carl. Hey, you know Carl become a rapper? Yeah. I don't know what he's studying, but he's a rapper in Goa. Yeah, brother man, dude. Hey, dude, his flow is not bad. His flow is sick. Listen to brother man, dude. On you, brother man, dude. Dude, my man shoots music videos and everything, man. Girls and cars and all. Huh? It's on YouTube and Instagram. I think it's public account. See. Yeah. I'll send you.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
You swear you play, I'll kick you out. I'll kick you off the team. I'll kick you off KF, which I swear. You know, I was one of the founding members. Okay, fine. Lakshay, play for 1 minute. Lakshay, replace Nizam, go in. For 1 minute. And play safe, man. Just don't fuck up. What? Where? That's shin pad, man. Yeah, shin guard, my bad. Eight 15.
Where's Alan? Alan!
Go.
Alan, put pressure. You're on this side only. Okay.
There is water.
Yeah, check.
Good try. Good try. Nice one.
I didn't know the squad first.
Yeah. He was playing defense. He went out. Someone go fast.
Bro, he was a big nerd, man. What's he studying in UK?
Look, mid, if the mid was okay, they wouldn't come all the way to defense. There's no point of doing strike.
Good try.
You have to stay mid.
You know why?
Fast. That's what no one's putting. That's why they're reaching the defense as fast as possible.
He would spray.
Yeah.
That's why.
I have to recover fast, man. Again, man, I don't want to get stranded.
Look, they're getting past. They just come and defense every time. And then they play the
Jesus. No.
over where I told him before the match, just calm down if it's water.
Hey, who's that? Rohit, who's that? Yes. Hey, Vivaswan! Vivaswan, how are you?
And now we can go counter attack.
Take a shot, take a shot, take a shot, take a shot. Take a shot.
Telling you, defense, there's no problem with defense. If it is then I'll not come here. I told you, if you come in Manapla, I can just walk in the street.